Do you think that's important to study people who've got a bit of experience and history?
I think all the lessons are to be had from the past. That the unfortunate thing is, I think governments don't take those lessons.
No, we just repeat them.
And we just repeat the same thing time after time.
Yeah.
And that's for various other reasons that we've spoken about. But I think as individuals, you can learn those lessons. And if you, as long as you don't just forget about them. I mean, most people go through life on consumer mode. They don't realise they're on consumer mode. No. They should be trying to be more a producer than consuming. And to be honest, if they could just knock that gauge along a bit towards the producer than the consumer, they would be so much better off. But you know, they just go through life that way, and that's all there is to it, really.
And if there isn't that much incentive to produce,
well, that's the other thing. I think there's always an incentive to produce and be your own boss and go for it. It's when you start earning a little bit more that you get clobbered.